Hey, what's up everybody? It's Phil today, and I'm gonna show you guys how to mount your modern frames in the modern living room. So yeah, I have. I'm gonna be using this cable clips, the 14mm and the hammer. So basically, what I chose these ones to mount on the frame is that the nails are a bit stronger than those single ones that you find in the hardware. These ones are a bit stronger. So I'm just gonna remove the white plastic there. Then I'm just gonna remain with the nail, just knock it out from the wall. So apparently this is how the wall is looking like. So you guys have a look. Then I'm selling my prints, the ones that if you go to my Instagram and check on Feel Good Arts, you see there's a lot of prints that are there. I'm gonna be selling them, I think from $350, and hopefully soon we're gonna be at the Fourways market, so that you guys come through and help support the business as well. So yeah, so I also do the canvas prints as well, and yeah, so let's get to it, eh? So basically that's all you need to do. So first of all, you need to make the measurements. I did the measurements the other day with Shark, my mentor. We did the measurements the other day, so just mark up on the walls. So when you mark up on the walls, then it makes it easier to sort out the frames as well. So yeah, we marked up on the walls there. So I'm just gonna put 4 frames. The whole concept of the 3 couch, I found it on Pixelset. Sorry, on Pinterest. Yeah, I found the concept on Pinterest. So we're gonna a hammer and the nail caps. That's all you need. Alright, awesome. Let's go.